don't go trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair. You always had my unspoken passion. Why might not seem to care? I don't want clever conversation. Never want to work that hard. I just want someone